This video tutorial will show you how to adaptively release certain content to certain users. This is very helpful if you have an assignment or a test that only certain students are allowed to write and you want to have it not show up for those who are not allowed. First, we're going to start off by creating the two groups, so the no access groups and the access groups. For that, you need to go down to your course management section, under users and groups, expand, click on groups, and we are going to create a set manual enroll. I'm just going to call this access groups, and you can put in a description here, but seeing as these are groups for students who are not allowed to see the tests, you might as well just say not visible to students and uncheck all the tools, as students are not actually going to use these groups to collaborate. These are merely for accessibility. Now we want to create two groups and then hit submit. Now under access group 1, we're going to call this group no access, and we're going to call the second group yes access. You can customize these obviously. For no access, we're going to add users, and a list of all of your students will show up. Now if you have more than 25 students per list, you can hit show all to show all of the students, or you'll have the option to scroll through pages. I'm going to select the two students who are not allowed and then hit submit. And now this is the group of students who will not be allowed to view the test. The yes access group, I'm going to add users, and now it's going to show all the other users still remaining in my cohort of students. So seeing as you will be having more than 3, it's best just to check the select all block, and all of the students will be selected that are left over, and hit submit, and your two groups are created. Just hit submit at the bottom to save your work, and we have our two groups. Now go to the content area where you have posted the assignment or test. Under the hidden drop down menu, select adaptive release. We're going to select membership, so the second section. You can here put in usernames individually if you like, but it's easier to do it this way with the groups. So we want to decide who is allowed to see the content, and it's the yes group. So I'm going to highlight the yes access group, use the little arrow to place them into the selected box, and then hit submit. And we see now that the status has changed to item is available, but some students or groups may not have access. So now only the students from the yes group can see the test, and the others will not have any access. Easy as that.